everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and we're at one of our most wanted, wonderful places in the world. We're at the Strand here in Manhattan Beach, California. This 24 hours ago, this plot of land used to look like this over here. A lot of scrubby bushes. The homeowners decided they wanted something that flowered and had some organization and had a whimsical. So we're going to do that for them. And so we removed all the shrubbery this morning. A lot of it was non-native, and tomorrow we're going to install a native garden here, mostly native garden. The reason you want to use natives is because there's all kinds of reasons. It sequesters carbon. The roots actually help the soil. There's water conservation. It attracts the pollinators. It's a huge pollinator attractor and actually helps the pollinators, the bees, the birds, and butterflies, and so on. There's also the idea that some people have the misconception that because natives don't need a lot of water, they somehow think it doesn't need any water at all. That's simply not true. You have to give natives water. And so we choose Rainbird. For this particular job, we have the Rainbird 1-foot pop-ups. Now, the reason we chose that over drip irrigation, even though drip irrigation would save more water, we use the Rainbird stream rotors, the rotary nozzles, simply for the reason that you could actually have those things on for 12 hours, come back 12 hours later, and there would be zero runoff. It actually is the only, next to drip irrigation, it's the only irrigation I know of that can actually water for hours at a time, and it actually penetrates the soil rather than going outside and eroding. You know what? Better yet, let me just show you. Let's get an example of what these stream rotors look like. Let me just get outside here. Okay, see how they pop up? And they almost look like Spider-Man when he, gets the spider web to come out. I could literally leave these on for 12, 15 hours and there would be no soil erosion. I get put a shovel through it and it would be deep water, like several inches. It would be watered really deep. And that's what you want. Drip irrigation would have been a better choice for here if it wouldn't have been for the fact that this is the Strand and there's millions of people that walk this every day. They walk with their dogs. We didn't want any tripping hazards. So this is landscaping 101, at least with natives. If you have high density areas, choose the Rainbird 1-foot pop-ups with the stream nozzles. If you don't have that, let's say this was somebody's backyard, you don't have a lot of traffic, choose a drip irrigation. Okay, we're going to do another video tomorrow. I'll actually have a list of the native plants we're going to be using. I think everything except the Jerusalem sage is going to be native. So Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability and permaculture, think Enviroscape LA.